The envelope system is a budgeting method that helps individuals manage their spending by using cash for specific categories. This approach involves allocating a set amount of cash into labeled envelopes designated for various expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. When the cash in an envelope is gone, no further spending occurs in that category for the month, which encourages mindful spending and helps avoid overspending. This system promotes discipline by making you more aware of your spending habits and priorities. While traditional cash envelopes are popular, many people have adapted the concept to digital formats using budgeting apps that allow for similar tracking without physical cash. The envelope system can be particularly effective for those who struggle with impulse purchases, as it creates a tangible limit on spending. By visually seeing how much money is available for each category, individuals can make better informed decisions, leading to greater financial control. Overall, the envelope system is a practical and straightforward strategy for managing a budget and achieving financial goals. It emphasizes the importance of planning and conscious spending, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their financial health.